When we have already developed right view, it means we can see things as they truly are. We understand what is right and what is wrong, which actions lead to suffering, and which lead to peace. Once we have this foundation, the next step is right thought. Right thought is essentially a way to train ourselves to shift our mindset. In the past, our minds were often driven by greed, anger, and ignorance. When we liked something, we wanted to possess it. When we disliked something, we wanted to push it away. When we didn't understand something, we clung to confusion or fear. These mental habits only create more suffering. Right thought means that when these unwholesome thoughts arise, we replace them with loving kindness, compassion, sympathetic joy, and equanimity. Loving kindness, ti, metta, is the wish for others to be happy. It counteracts anger. For example, when someone upsets you, you remind yourself, they are also suffering. May they be at peace. The moment you think that way, your heart softens. Compassion, be, karuna, is the wish for others to be free from suffering. It counteracts cruelty and indifference. When you see others in pain, you don't turn away. Instead, you naturally want to comfort and help them. Sympathetic joy, shi, mudita, is the ability to rejoice in others' happiness. It counteracts jealousy. When others are doing well, you feel genuinely happy for them, knowing that their happiness adds to the goodness of the world. Equanimity, shi, upekkha, is a balanced mind. It counteracts attachment and grasping. It means knowing how to let go, not being carried away by success or crushed by failure. For example, when the Buddha was insulted, he felt no anger. He calmly said, "If you offer me a gift, but I do not accept it, that gift still belongs to you." This is a perfect example of how the Buddha used right thought to transform a negative situation. Therefore, right thought is not just an abstract concept, it is a practical way of living. Whenever a thought arises, we can use loving kindness, compassion, joy, and equanimity to redirect it. When the mind changes, the heart follows. And when the heart changes, our actions, speech, and thoughts all become gentle and pure. Over time, we realize that peace and happiness are not far away. They are born in the very moment we change a single thought.